What's happening, everybody? Beachin with the Boones, and today we're on the Sunshine Carnival, and we are going to check out the secret decks. So right now, here is 6108. Extremely windy conditions. Remember, you have to let this door close before you open this door. One has to be closed before you open the other. Okay, so it's extremely windy today. So we're going to try to get as much footage as possible. Okay, so even though it's very windy, one of the crew said that if we go out there really fast, we could do some filming. Oh, God, hurry.
It's not that bad.
All right. I don't know if you can hear because of the wind, and it's a bit shaky, but this is deck 6 on the very front of the boat. Can you hold that? So I'm going to make this one quick and simple. Up here also, deck 7, we'll try to explore that in a few minutes. That's a secret deck as well. Now deck 5 right here is only for the crew. So if you go and explore these secret decks, please do not go down there. Give them their space and their time off so they can enjoy some of the stuff you enjoy. But this here is the front of the ship. And I want to go over there and look. I don't want to get blown over either. It is very windy. That's why they don't want you up here, Brennan. So this is a place you can get up here. You can drink your coffee in the morning, especially if they're in port, because it's not this windy. But right now, he's booking it. We're trying to get around the storm. If you see the clouds, we've been going through rain on this trip a good bit. I think it's raining out that way. So the captain is trying to divert around. So it's very choppy, very windy, and it's raining out there. Huh?
It's over there. There's rain out there.
Is that rain out there as well? All right, that's rain way out there, but that's behind us. Let's go check out deck 7. Now deck 7 is a little bit smaller. This is deck 7, a little bit smaller than 6. Right in. So on a nice day, this is a nice place to come and hang out. Let's get back to our door, Brandon. Come on. Wow, it was really windy up there. Had to take my visor off. It's about to blow off. All right, so that's a look at decks 6 and 7 here on this stormy, windy afternoon on the Carnival Sunshine. We hope you found this video informative. If you did, how about give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because it helps bring you more videos like this. And until next time, keep beaching. So on a nice day, It's a nice place to come and hang out. On the very front of the boat